Stop right there. Did you know that your skin might be aging faster than you think? Wrinkles, sagging, and that tired look are all red flags that something needs to change. But here's the good news. You can reverse this process. In today's video, I'll reveal the secrets to tightening your skin naturally and achieving a firm, youthful appearance. And the best part, it's all possible with simple lifestyle changes. Stay with me until the end, because I'll be sharing powerful tips and natural remedies that will transform your skin as we age. Our skin loses collagen and hyaluronic acid, key components for firmness and elasticity. But did you know that certain habits can make this happen even faster? Excessive sun exposure, poor diet, dehydration, and even wearing tight clothes can speed up sagging skin. Want to know how to stop this? Keep watching, because the next tips will change everything. Drink more water. Ever seen a dry riverbed full of cracks? That's exactly what happens to your skin when you don't hydrate properly. Drinking enough water keeps your skin elastic, renews collagen, fibers, and prevents puffiness. Start today. Eat collagen-boosting foods. What you eat shows on your skin. Citrus fruits like oranges, kiwis, and lemons are rich in vitamin C and help stimulate collagen production. Antioxidant-rich foods like strawberries, nuts, and green tea are also essential for keeping your skin young and firm. Exercise to tighten your body. Eating well is not enough. You need to move. Strength training is one of the best ways to tone your skin and replace soft fat with firm muscle. The result? A sculpted, tight, and youthful body. Quit smoking. If you smoke, this is a wake-up call. Cigarettes destroy collagen and accelerate skin aging. Ever notice that smokers tend to have more wrinkles and dull skin? Quitting is one of the best things you can do for your skin's health and overall well-being. Maintain a stable weight. The dreaded yo-yo effect is one of the biggest culprits of sagging skin. Constant weight fluctuations damage the skin's elasticity, leading to stretch marks and loss of firmness. The key: a healthy and sustainable weight loss approach. Natural creams that work. Some natural creams can do wonders for firming your skin. Look for products with collagen and silica, or try homemade remedies using honey and fruits. Want exclusive DIY recipes? Comment below. I want natural skincare tips, and I'll share more with you. Effective skin treatments. Looking for faster results? Radiofrequency therapy stimulates collagen production, tightening and toning your skin. It's an excellent option, especially for areas like the abdomen, which often become looser after pregnancy. Now you have everything you need to fight sagging skin and achieve a firm, youthful look. But before you go, tell me, which of these tips do you already follow, and which one do you need to start? Drop a comment below. I'm reading all of them. And don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend who needs these tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on my latest content. See you in the next video.